Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful ideas in crochet food and fruits, creating crochet food items like different beautiful mini size fruit decoration jellies and different mini cupcake styling can be a fun and creative project and variation colors and crochet tools to get started. Find crochet pattern or beautiful ideas that online that match the different mini food cupcake and cake style. Want to make them follow the instruction to create each items using different stages techniques. Very interested like mini basket shape as a decoration and as a gifting way, like ring basket